How you guys doing? Hello. Hi everyone. Just checking in here. Let's do the panda today. It fits a lazy Sunday. Me and the panda in the same vibes. We are together forever, right, panda? I'm cleaning my bathroom. That's my lazy weekend cleaning. Lazy weekend for me is cleaning, where I don't want to go outside. I am just chilling. Yep. I am now cleaning the bathroom. Everywhere is pretty much, doing well. Who's coming to the live today? I was listening to this. They have all these professional YouTube content creator, and I'm starting to believe them because some people in the comments said that's not true and so on. So I tested it out for myself, and I think the guy was telling the truth that if you do, that shorts can affect your channel, because what they're saying is if you do a lot of shorts, then it's only people who watch shorts who's gonna come to your channel. So the guy was saying it affects your channel if you're a content creator. He said if you do shorts, it's gonna affect your video views, and I think it's true, because since I've been doing the shorts, I don't see my videos sharing out or my live. So I'm thinking you have to do either or. You got to do just videos or just shorts or something. So far, it looks like he was telling the truth, and he's a professional. Be right back. Let me go get the wipes. I am gonna wash my hair too. Tired of this. Hey. Hi. Don't forget to like. It is free. For you not to like, that's sad. Because it's something free. Something free. Don't you like the panda? Don't you like the panda? Don't you? Tell the truth. Who doesn't like a panda? Seriously. Who doesn't like a panda? Who in the world doesn't like a panda? Hi, thank you for coming in. Today's my lazy Sunday. I'm just cleaning. I call lazy Sunday cleaning. Where I don't go outside, I'm cleaning. So you can watch the lazy panda. I am cleaning my bathroom right now. Yes. Martha, what's the weather doing? What is... That's a panda. That's a panda. Hello, my friend. How you doing? Thanks. It's always great to see a friend. Right? Yes, I know. I know you're from Turkey. You're my friend. I know. How you doing? I know. I'm cleaning my bathroom because my grandkids uses the bathroom. So I gotta make sure, I keep it clean for them. I don't know what it is. What is it with children? They like bathrooms, and it's the worst place they could like. Seriously. It's the worst place they could like, a bathroom. Hey? I said, oh, you have a new video? Okay, I'll go check it out then, okay. I've been to your house this week, I think. Yeah, I've been to your house. If you stay on the live, when I get to my laptop, I'll go over there. Right now, I'm cleaning the bathroom. I'm cleaning the bathroom. When I'm done, I'll go on the laptop, and whoever is in the chat, I'll go to their house and give them some double H. Okay? So, stick around. Marila's food. Thank you for coming. I've been to your home a couple times this week. Yeah, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. I know, there are a lot of lies, and I know you guys don't have to be here, and you choose to click on the live, so I appreciate that love. This is my lazy day like the panda. Me and the panda is here. We're cleaning. I'm cleaning the bathroom. My lazy day means cleaning. I don't want to go outside. Just clean. Yeah. Cleaning the bathroom. That's what I am doing. Let me get some more wipes. Connect with each other. Marilas, go over to Jezzing, and Jezzing go over to Marilas. Thank you, Marilas. Yeah, I've always been to your home. I'm just cleaning here, I'm washing the rugs and cleaning down the walls because I got these grandchildren that loves bathroom. So I have to make sure everything is pine sawed out and, bleached out. So when I'm not here and they come into play, I don't know why they choose bathrooms. If I'm here, they don't, because I'm on watch guard. And as soon as I hear the door open, yes, I'm in the USA. Yes, California. Yes, lots of people from the Philippines are in the USA. And I watch a lot of couple. I don't know if you know 70s Senior. He lives in the Philippines. So, yes. So he's now the husband of one of the content creators here in US. They met on YT. Oh, South Carolina. Oh, Mary-Liz, I thought you were in the Philippines. Did you just move here? Or that place that you work is in North Carolina, South Carolina? The place that you work? Is that South Carolina? The place that I always see you? Yes, I am here in California. Some of my co-workers are from the Philippines, but I'm going to be honest with you, Marilis. The sweetest Filipinos are the ones the humble ones. I'm going to be honest, they are the ones that I meet on YT. And they're so nice, and they're the most humble people, and they're so welcoming and caring, and they support you. But I'm gonna be honest. Oh, your YouTube partner lives in Philippines. Ah. Well, do you know 70 Senior? He sings. He's from the Philippines. He has a YT channel, and he sings, and he's a fisherman too. He goes out fishing, and he also shows the beach in the Philippines. Yeah, the 17th Senior guy. Guess what? He's now dating an African American lady from Georgia. Oh, I get it now. So you have Liz that works. Okay, I got it. I get it now. Because I was like, that doesn't look like South Carolina. Yes. Smart. That's smart. I'm using pine sol on the floor now. And I'm going to let it dry a little. Oh, you should meet him. He's always on YT. He's an elder. I'm thinking he's probably 60s, in his 60s. I don't know. But he is now dating one of his subscribers. It's hilarious. He's now dating one of his subscribers. I think they got married because they keep using the same last name. She's there in the Philippines right now, and I saw them hugging, eating together out of one plate. Welcome in, Teresa. Thank you. And Joshua. Thank you. So guys, can you believe it? He's now dating one of his subscribers. Yeah, they call each other honey and babe, and she's now in the Philippines. She's from the US. It is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I'm like, wow, they found love. It's so cute. Yes, he found a USA woman. Yes. And I know Filipinos, they tend to date Caucasian men and stuff, but he is dating a African American woman. I am so happy for him because he's a very quiet and nice guy. He's very quiet. Yes, he found him a USA woman. I'm happy. I'm happy for him. So I finished everything. Only thing left is the bathtub, and I'll do it when I'm going to take a shower. Because when I'm going to take a shower, I'm going to wash my hair. And I'm telling you guys, the babies are not here right now. But if they come home, I'm going to have to clean again. And it's only one. It's the girl. She likes to play in water. She likes to play in water. She likes to play in water. I'm going to give you his name so you can see it for real life, guys. 70s Senior is dating one of his subscribers. Because I've been a subscriber of both of them channel, and I didn't link them together until when I was on her live and she kept calling him babe and honey. And I'm like, what the? Why she keep calling the man in the Philippines babe? And then I said, are you husband and wife? And she said, yes. I said, really? It was so hilarious to me because I'm subscriber of both. I feel I'm like the foundation of this love trying. Okay, whoever's in the live, you can let me know. I'm gonna go over to your house on my laptop. Yes. I appreciate you guys coming in because I don't know what's going on. Lately, I haven't been getting my views and stuff, but I was listening to this huge content creator, and he was saying when you post a lot of shorts, it affects your channel because if you post long videos, normally you're gonna only attract the subscribers that watch short videos, so they're not gonna watch your live or your videos. And I'm starting to believe that this is true, guys, because I started posting a lot of shorts, and that's when everything just went down. So I'm like, maybe he's right. Some people were saying no, that's not true, but I'm starting to think it's true. I'm starting to think it's true because it's like I'm penalized since I started um, posting the shorts. I'm like, how comes no one watching my videos? And I think the guy is right. So I'm wondering if we should only do videos or only do we can do videos and lives but not short. I don't know. Maybe it's the algorithm or the AI, you know? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I tested it out because I went and listened to him, and he said, if you're posting videos all along and then you start posting shorts, you will be affected. And he said, shorts will kill your channel. And I'm starting to believe this because people in the comments kept saying, no, that's not true. I post both and I get views. That's not true. But it's happening to me. I started posting a lot of shorts, a short per day, and I don't see anyone watching the video. I don't see my video being shared out. So I'm starting to believe it. And 6 a.m. That's the same thing I was doing, 6 a.m. because they said 6 a.m. was my time where a lot of people would watch. So I started doing 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. The same thing. Yeah, try it and see because I'm like, I started posting my shorts every day. If I don't post two, I post one at 6 a.m. Yeah, try it and see. And I schedule my videos so I do give YT enough time to find my audience because I am scheduling my videos a week in advance. I'm trying to do what the big content creators says, but I don't know if this is working. I don't know. Let me switch. Yeah, I don't know if it's working at all. Let's see if this is my. don't know. It's good to know you're in South Carolina, so you have other ones that's doing it. Yeah, I'm starting to see, Joshua, that yeah, I'm starting to see the shorts is definitely affecting me. I definitely see the difference. Yeah. Too bad I don't have a YouTube coach to to really find out the truth, but it from my experience, it's true. Yeah, they don't. They don't. You see, like me, I use one. Okay, so what I do, I use one full day and watch everyone. I support everyone in my comments. So I go through my comments and I support everyone that entire day. I'm off from work and I just go to everybody's home. So they can't say I don't go. And if I see you live, I go to your live on my lunch or my break at work. So that's how I do it. I set aside a day to support others, but I don't even think about Duena, how you doing? How you doing? Come on in and connect with everyone that's here. Connect. Yeah, so let me catch you up, Duena. How you doing? I'm good. I'm good. I'm just here telling everyone that I feel like doing shorts hurt my channel because ever since I started scheduling my shorts, my views are going down on my videos. So I'm like, what is going on here? I'm looking for Turkey's videos. Turkey has some long videos. Okay. But it's beautiful. Turkey videos are beautiful. Ah, yes. Thank you, Dueno, for sharing me to your community. Guys, please connect with Dueno because one thing I know about Dueno, you support him, he is supporting you. And I don't even have to be online. He is there supporting me at all time. Sometimes I forget to share him, and he still shares me the next live he's on, and I will go back and like, oh, I forgot to share Dueno, you know. But he is always supportive, guys. So connect with Dueno. He's a gamer out of Jamaica. If you want to know where he's from, he's from Jamaica, and he's very professional. He doesn't have any drama over there. It's not like the crazy mix up ones. Yeah, he doesn't have drama. He just plays his game and he talks to you while he's playing his game, and that's about it. Definitely. Yeah. Okay, so we are at Turkey. Let me go over to. Yeah, Mariles. Teresa was here. Teresa, are you still here? I know Turkey. I have my different names of calling you guys. So Turkey is Jezink, GEZGINCI 35. Jezinksi is out of Turkey, and they have beautiful videos. Marilez is, I'm looking at Marilez right now. I like your banner. I like your banner, Marilez. Oh, you made banana bread? Oh, Marilez made banana bread. I love banana bread. It's my favorite. Talca is here at Nightbot. Oh my god. Nightbot sees Talca before I even see Nightbot. Talca, don't run away. Stay right here. I just gave you your mod, so Nightbot will leave you alone. Guys, Talca detector's out of Chile. Please connect with him and go see Talca detector. Oh yes, Marilys has a I forgot how. Oh, that's good, Marilys, to see you get a lot of views even with the using the AI banana thing. I love it. I love banana bread. I love banana bread. It's one of my favorite. Steve and Tina Jewel. Hi. How are you doing? Thank you. Thank you for joining us. On a lazy Sunday. I thank you for the thumbs up. I just got done cleaning the bathroom while I was on live. And now I'm talking about how I went to some pro content creators. They're like huge content creators, and I think one of them was right. Um, he said if you're doing too much short, you're gonna lose the views on your videos and your live stream. And I'm starting to think he was right because I used to just post videos and live stream, and ever since I started posting shorts, my views for my videos went down. So I'm saying, oh, maybe he's right. There were people in the comments saying he wasn't right. So that's what we're talking about. Like, is it true? And some people said they're going to test it out to see if it's true. I'm also visiting homes on my laptop. I'm at Marita's home. She is actually she has a banana bread recipe on her channel, which I'm going to use because I love banana bread. So I'm sure this is the best one if the AI did it. Yeah. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for commenting because then I can go to your home. If you don't comment, I don't know that you were here. I support you a lot when you come to my home. Once a week, I do play someone's playlist. Last week it was Travana Frank. The week before it was Dueno. So once a week, I just push out your playlist. I try to do more supporting than anything else. I just think good energy comes back to you naturally. So I'm not really worried about me. I'm more like I give support to so many people. Eventually it comes back, you know. I'm gonna try this banana bread that Marilez has though. Definitely. Dueno Maryland's just connected. That's awesome. I'm sure he's over there at your house. It's Sunday evening in Jamaica. Dueno is out of Jamaica, guys. Dueno 876. If you truly want support, he will support you guys. I know he's a great supporter. He actually shares your videos out, and that's what makes him exceptional. That's what makes him outstanding, because he shares your videos to his community. Ooh, I like this banana bread, guys. Ooh, I like this. They put a slice of banana on top with the whole almond. I'm liking it. Hi, Talon's Minecraft crew. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for the love. Thank you for being here. I'm at Mariles' home right now, watching her banana bread recipe. Ooh, it came out so good. I'm going to make this banana bread. I know my grandchildren will eat this thing in a second. I love it. I love the way it came out. I love everything about this banana bread. Good job. All right. Okay, we just went to Mary Les. Let's see who else is in the chat. I think it was Joshua that came in after. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Yep, Joshua came in after. Joshua is very supportive too. Joshua is always coming. He shows up at everyone's live. Everywhere I go, I see Joshua. Yes. I'm going over to Joshua's house now. Joshua draws, I think. He's an artist. Yeah, Joshua draws. Let's see his artwork. I saw this one already. It was, I think that was Bob Marley. Yeah, Joshua is an artist. I don't remember watching this one. Yes, I'm going to everyone's house and give my support. Talca, I hope you didn't run away. Oh, yes, you came back. Talca detectors from Chile, guys. Connect with each other. You have a blue handle for you to connect. Who's in the house right now so I can know who is here? I'm at Joshua's house. Joshua needs to... I just left a message for Joshua that he needs to post more of his artwork. Yeah, I'm doing reviews. I'm doing reviews. I just posted, please do more of your artwork. I need to see more of your artwork. Okay, after Joshua, I think it's Dueno that came in. No, Teresa. How could I forget? Teresa is one of my number one supporters. Teresa shows up at your lives. She watches every video that is on my channel and my shorts. She watches everything that I've uploaded, Teresa. Please connect with Teresa. She has a very delicate voice, guys. Go over there and connect with Teresa. She has a very delicate voice. Teresa's TV. She's so quiet. Even when she comes in the chat, she's quiet. She's quiet in real life and she's quiet in the chat. She's very shy. So I'm going to go over to Teresa when I'm done. Who's chilling like my panda today? Let's go over to Teresa now. I'm going over to Teresa. Let me pin her. What I'm going to do is pin the house that I'm at. So Teresa, I'm going to Teresa. So let me pin Teresa's house. That's what I'm going to do. And then you guys can just go to the person's house. I pin her. Why can't we pin? Oh, it's not allowing me to pin her. Nope. No. Let me see if I can pin her here. Pin Teresa. I went to Turkey's house. I went to Marile's house. Here's Teresa. Let's pin her. We're still not allowing. It's not allowing me to pin Teresa. Okay. Let me go over to Teresa's house. It's not allowing me. Since it's not allowing me, go to channel. Let's see what Teresa is cooking. She either is cooking or she's at some family event. I watches her video. I watch her video at while I'm at work too. She's one of those that I will watch at work. Teresa's that happy weekend. She has a cute baby over there. Whose baby is this, Teresa? Is it your baby? Oh, she's having a Nigerian party, guys. Teresa is having a Nigerian party, so I'm at her party right now, guys. I'm at Teresa's party. Ooh. She's cooking jollof rice with just tomato paste. 'Cause I guess she doesn't have the fresh tomato. She said. So we're at Teresa's house right now. Hope you guys connected with each other. Okay, that's Teresa's house. And who is after Teresa? I think it's Dueno. Yeah, because I went to Joshua. Let's go over to Dueno. And then Steve and Tina, which are my new subscribers. I remember them. I remember this couple. I love the couples on YT. We were just talking about 70th Senior TV that's out of the Philippines. He is now dating one of his subscribers. I think they actually got married. 70th Senior TV out of the Philippines. I think that's just the coolest thing I've ever seen. He's from the Philippines and he's dating an African American lady, and they're actually building a house in Ghana. They're doing great things, guys. Okay, we're at Duena's house. Mortal Kombat. I like that game, so I always watch him playing. I'm not a gamer, but I watch it. I watch Dueno's games and his friends' game. See, I was just talking about them. Fatima is his wife. Fatima. Fatima is 70 Senior TV wife. And they are really together, guys. I see it in my I saw them. I saw them eating out of one plate together. Cause she's in the Philippines right now with him. They're going live from the Philippines. And what? Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from the shorts, guys. I don't know which one to stay away from. Stream it. The stream right now. I'm gonna stay away. I'm gonna keep posting and see, and then test it. Test it out. Okay, we're at Duena House. It's a Plague Tale gameplay, sad ending. Okay, that one is playing. Now let me go to Steve. Steve and Tina Jules. So you see, you come to my live, I'm supporting you because I'm going to your homes. I think Steve and Tina did put up a new video, so I'll just go over and watch the new video right now. After Steve is Talon's Minecraft crew. And I'm sure they're from Dueno support. Because Dueno shares me out. And I appreciate you guys supporting who he supports. That's super cool. Steve and Tina. This is Steve and Tina new video. Epic salmon fishing in Campbell River. Big catch and scenic views. So I'm here. Oh, Teresa's rice looks good. I'm still in Teresa's home. Her rice looks really good. I should try that. Tomatoes with rice. I don't think we have a recipe with tomatoes with rice. I should try it. We do a lot of veggies with rice, mix, but I don't think we have that. This meal looks good, Teresa. Good job, Teresa TV. I like it. I like the end production. The display is awesome. Good job. I like how you put the rice in a cup and did it. Good job. Let's see how many views you got. Good job, Lucy. Okay, we're at Steve and Tina Jill. Where are we going? To the river. Steve and Tina Jill. And then next is Talon's Minecraft. Oh, they're having lots of fun out there on the lake. I'm all done at Teresa's home. Talon's Minecraft. Let's see. Oh, Okay. We're at Steve. And after Steve, I think that's it for the hour. Came in for an hour, and thank you for all the support that came in for that hour. I was able to go to everyone's home. Marcel Ward, I don't know about Marliz Jenzing from Turkey, Duena Theresa, Joshua, Steve. I'm still at Steve and Tina's house. I'll be on until I'm done with their house. And Talca. Oh, I didn't go to Talca Detector House. Guys, you see? Let me go to Talca Detector House. I'm heading over to Talca Detector House. Yes, yes, Joshua. I came over to your house and I need to see way more artwork because I know how gifted you are. I remember you. I haven't forgotten who you are. I need to see way more artwork content on your home. Trust me, you need to flourish with those. Your artwork, there are people who just love art. I cannot draw, I cannot paint, I cannot do anything with within the arts, but I know how to appreciate art. I love to look at the art, so there are people out there who would definitely watch your artwork. So definitely go out there and start placing your artwork out there. Okay? Do it. Just don't give up. Just do it for the love of the art. That's how I am. I just do it because of the love of my family. I'm creating memories. Just think about it. My great 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 grandchildren can play these videos and listen to my voice, listen to my opinions on life styles and parenting and so on. So you doing artwork, it's your family's next generation and next generation, can it's your created memories. Exactly. So put your artwork out there. Put it out there. Place it. Do it. And just put your name on it so it can't be stolen. I know how precious artworks are. So, definitely. You really need to be doing that. Yeah. Let's go visit Taka Detector. Taka Detector is placing a lot of videos, but they're not coming up in my feed. Good thing he shows up in our lives so we can go over to him. So, guys, remember every week I place 2 videos, at least 1 to 2 videos per week. I started out with one, and then I was listening to the big content creators saying, really, you're supposed to post a video every day. So, when you're a small content creator, and I claim myself as a very small content creator. So, now I started out with one, and I'm trying to mix in 2 per week. Don't forget, my videos are out there for you to watch. Okay? Yes, Joshua, you need to get that done, your artwork. I am at Talca Detector House right now. Taco detector is at La Leyenda de la Campana de Oro. And thank you guys so much for coming in to the live. Thank you. I'm also playing ads at Steve and Tina Jewel. In British Columbia. They're doing a epic catch at the in British Columbia. You're welcome, Joshua. Just start posting way more artwork, way more artwork, because I know you're gifted. Okay, so I'll be leaving on this. I'll be leaving after the epic salmon. And then when it's done, I'll go wash my hair. And I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. You're so brave out there. I'm watching Steve and Tina. Steve and Tina Joel. They're fishing. Me too, I enjoy. Me too, I enjoy. Me too. Love what. Yeah, I was reading Stephen Jules' comments. Sunrise Love TV said, I love to see fishing. Me too. I love watching. That's one of the reasons I like watching Fatima, who connected with 70 Seniors TV in a relationship now. Um, I watch her fishing. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming in. Feel free to comment. And if you're a content creator, I would definitely go over to your home by clicking on your name in the comments. So if you don't comment, I won't know you were here. I'm trying to clean before the kids get, before my grandchildren get here. I don't know what is up with YT not sharing out my file. What did I do to you, YT? Got some good sleep though today. Ooh, okay, we washed this. Wash my hair. So is there. Put some fabulosa. Put comment. Okay. So I'm gonna wash the bath. All right. Since you guys. Hey guys. Let me know if you're here. If you're here, I can go to your house if you're a content creator. If not, feel free to subscribe, like, and share. I am live doing my bathroom and cleaning my bathroom, guys. While I'm at Taco Detector House and Steve. They have an epic catch salmon. Right now I'm scrubbing the bathtub while I'm live. So you can multitask. Guys, you want to hear something good? I have been complaining about bullying in offices and the bosses ignoring the bullying behavior. But guess what, guys? A few people, they testified, yes, in Boston about the office abuse and so on. And now they're thinking about passing a law because so many employees have said they're affected mentally, verbally, emotionally at work, and bosses ignore these behavior of the employees because they rather keep the clicks than worry about that one individual that the clique is bullying. Well, just to let you know, a group of people testified, and I did sign the petition. I wanted to testify, but I had to work, and I totally missed the deadline. Wish I had testified, but there will be many more. Boston is starting it, where companies will be held accountable for not fixing the situation. Yeah. Never underestimate my cries. I don't go silent. Trust me, I'm going with a bang. If you thought you just let these things go, no. You're going to be held responsible for your action. Feel me? All right, I'm scrubbing, guys. Scrubbing the bathtub. That's what we're doing. Cleaning on a relaxed Sunday is cleaning. That's what you do. Clean your house. Stay inside. Really? I did not go outside all weekend, guys. I've been here just relaxing because I'm trying to stay out of the sun because I've been diagnosed with glaucoma. And I'm trying to save my eyes as much as I can. I don't know. I think it gets worse when I'm in the sun, so that's it. I think it gets worse. Yep, I think so. So that's what I've been doing, working on that. Let me put these in the dryer. Oh, that's it. You just gonna come on that? Yep. All right. All done. Let's rinse. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair and rinse the bath out. Let me scrub right here. Sometimes you have to step away to see the little spot. Yep, cleaning the shower. Yep. gonna clean, wash my hair now. Yep, that's what's next. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming to the live. Thank you, because I know you went out of your way to show the support, so I do appreciate the love and kindness from everyone, from Turkey to British Columbia to South Carolina, Chile. Isn't that amazing that we can use YT to connect with people all over the world? That's just amazing. I can't wait for us to be free again to travel anywhere we want, where there's no hate and everybody's loving each other and welcoming everybody in their country. I can't wait for that to happen again, where we can travel all around the world. Thank you for your love. Thank God we have YT where we can still connect with each other and there's no hate. There's just love and unity and connection. I appreciate that. We're welcome in everybody's country on YT. If we don't have any welcoming anywhere, we got it on YT. Right? Exactly. So, too bad. My plan was to travel to all these countries and connect with, one of the subscribers on my channel and stuff, but the way we see it now, I'm cooling down on the traveling. Because I don't know where I belong. So, yeah, but I'll just travel inland. If that, for now, that's safe. I heard it's not going to be safe eventually. We're going to have to be walking and driving around with all kinds of paperwork. So, nobody is really safe right now. So, it is what it is. And I pray for the people that's, sleeping in their bed and they hear things dropping and stuff from Israel and US and all this stuff. It's just sad. I like peace and love. I like peace and love. I like to welcome everybody. I like to love people. Why do we hate? Why do we hurt each other? For what? What's the outcome? Your ego? Do you win? What do you win? What do you win? I have no idea, guys. Oh my gosh, let's just see. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming in. Peace and love. Enjoy